FPPCCI के ज़ेर एहतमाम पाक चीन सफारी ताल्लुकात की 75वीं सालगिरह की तकरीब नायब सदर FPCCI ज़की एजाज का तकरीब से खिताब जारी है। बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, at the outset, I pay tribute to the father of the nation, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, whose vision of an independent and sovereign foreign policy led the foundation of Pakistan international relations. Guided by that vision, Pakistan became the first Muslim majority country and among the earliest nations in the world to recognize People's Republic of China in January 1950s. That historic decision was not simply a diplomatic step, it reflected foresight, courage, and a principled belief in friendship and mutual respect. History has proven that Pakistan stood with China during difficult times, and China also has always stood firmly beside Pakistan. This mutual trust has transformed our relationship into an all-weather strategic cooperative partnership admired across the world. We also pay tribute the visionary leadership of Chairman Mao Zedong and Premier Zhou Enlai, whose wisdom helped establish a relationship that continues to inspire future generations. Today, under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, and President of People's Republic of China, Xi Jinping, relations have entered a new era of economic cooperation. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is far more than an infrastructure program. It is a flagship of the Belt and Road Initiative and a powerful symbol of our shared vision for regional connectivity, industrial modernization, energy security, digital transformation, and sustainable economic development. As we move forward, second phase of Pakistan-China cooperation should focus on industrial collaboration, special economic zone, advanced manufacturing, artificial intelligence, information technology, renewable energy, agriculture, healthcare, logistics, tourism, and youth entrepreneurship. Together we can create new engines of growth that benefit both nations. Distinguished guests, as the apex representative body of Pakistan business community, FPCCI remains fully committed to strengthening economic cooperation between Pakistan and China. We stand ready to serve as the strongest bridge between our private sector by promoting bilateral trade, facilitating investment, encouraging joint ventures, supporting technology transfer, enhancing industrial partnership, and expanding business-to-business cooperation. Your Excellency, Punjab is the industrial heart of Pakistan and offers immense opportunity for Chinese investors. Under the dynamic leadership of Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif, Punjab is pursuing an ambitious agenda of industrial development, investment facilitation, infrastructure, modernization, innovation, economic reforms. We warmly welcome Chinese enterprises to invest in manufacturing, agriculture, renewable energy, information technology, logistics, education, healthcare, tourism, and skill developments. Together we can transform Punjab into a regional center of industrial excellence and innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, the future belongs to our youth. The next 75 years of Pakistan-China friendship must be driven by innovation, scientific research, digital technology, education, entrepreneurship, environmental sustainability, and people-to-people exchange. By empowering our youth people with modern skills and creating opportunities for innovation and enterprise, we will ensure that Pakistan-China friendship continues to flourish for generations to come. On this memorable occasion, I express my heartfelt gratitude to leadership of China and the people of China for their unwavering friendship and invaluable support throughout the past 7.5 decades. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to our President, FPCCI, Mr. Atif Ikram Sheikh, and our esteemed patron-in-chief, Mr. S.M. Tanveer, for their visionary leadership, unwavering commitment, and invaluable contribution to strengthening FPCCI and promoting Pakistan business community. Their continued guidance